Monday, September 29th, 2025. Saints Michael, Gabriel, and Raphael. Focus. Because I said to you, I saw you under the fig tree. Do you believe? Like many of us, Nathanael displays conflicting personas. In John 1, verse 46, he asks, "Can anything good come out of Nazareth?" A moment later, he boldly exclaims, "Rabbi, you are the Son of God." Christ's encounter with Nathanael was very personal. He revealed his intimate knowledge of Nathanael's spiritual longing. Whatever happened under the fig tree moved Nathanael to confess his faith instantly. Jesus did not just see him outwardly, but deep within. In Jewish tradition, a fig tree symbolizes peace, prayer, and quiet communion with God. So, when Jesus said, "I saw you under the fig tree," he may have been referring to a private moment between Nathanael and God, which explains Nathanael's astonishment. Jesus sees us even before we seek Him. He knows our hearts and our search for truth. A divine encounter can stir faith and move us to proclaim Him. He reveals heaven through Himself, the new Jacob's ladder that bridges heaven and earth. The feast of Saints Michael, Gabriel, and Raphael remind us to pray for protection, guidance, and the wisdom to realize that Jesus sees. He knows our every secret. He discerns our deepest motives. How wonderful it is to be known so intimately by God. Fruit. Jesus, the bridge between heaven and earth, sees me too. I pray that a divine encounter like Nathanael's will awaken me fully to God's truth.